Good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening. La ngikhona where I am. It's morning, and I'm in South Africa. I'm about to also go to work, but I just wanted to do this short video first. Allegedly, Kelly Khumalo. I'll always use that word, hey? Yeah, because ish when ninamanga niyaphika futhi noma nivela kumavidiyo naphika ukuthi indaba, so it is what it is. Kelly Khumalo, if you do not know how I feel about her, I do not like her, except the Senzo trial thing. Also the fact that she stole my line, I'll say allegedly. When you post or whatever thing that she was doing, she wrote from a god to a king. That was a line I had written for. I created that line. I also rap, by the way, but I do covers actually. I'm not interested in going into the big scene and stuff like that. I used to be interested, but now, no, there's just too much. And a line that said from a god to a king. I created that line. I remember when I commented on one of her pictures on Instagram. At first, my comment was able to go through. Next thing, bengasakwazi send her a comment. You understand? Sorry about that. Traffic sender abo 4. So abanye baloyi basase busy, guys. So please understand if we having an interruption. Bavele bagcwalisa ifoni yami. Over that nje. Space is full. No. Yeah, with that line thing, no. Because of that, I don't like her for that. And she did whatever she did on Instagram. I couldn't comment anymore. So I don't care what happens to her. But however, she won an award for the best Afropop artist of the year. Congratulations for that. And I saw the article. Even though cancel culture is fairly coming for her, she still won an award. In terms of talent, I will not lie to you. She is talented. She's very talented. I will not lie to you. She can sing and all of that. But what does that mean? Because you can still be talented and still have done, or you can still commit a crime. You can still steal someone's craft. I believe she did. Still my line. Somewhere you can be beautiful but still be ugly in the inside. It happens. Because it seems as if with that article, it's like people were shocked or whatever. She's still talented. Or maybe they were shocked to go to the fan base, though she does have a fan base. She does. Now I'm supportile, or if the Connie intabayenzile, we do not know. But in terms of talent, I'll give that to her. She can sing. Understand? So, the only thing I just have to say is congratulations. And I did ask lapha kulelo ukuthi, what does that line mean? From a god to a king. What does it mean? I wrote that. I know what it meant. I never got an answer or response or whatever. I'll say allegedly, but whatever.